Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a current date to a cell. Let's get started. If you have to add a date stamp repeatedly, all you need to do is press Ctrl, semicolon, and it will enter today's date. Then you can press Enter to go to the next line. This makes it really easy to add a lot of date stamps in a row without having to type it every time. Similarly, if you want to add a current time, you can press Ctrl Shift semicolon. So I'm holding down Ctrl and Shift and then pressing the semicolon, and that's it. Ctrl semicolon and Ctrl Shift semicolon will save you a lot of time. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content like this.